Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can draw arrows on this page for free. You're going to find the match. Let's say you're going to go into this bot. Then you're going to find this draw on page extension. You're going to download the draw on page as an extension, add it to the extension. Make sure you pin it. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go into your extensions, press these buttons and make sure it says open in page. And all you're going to do apologize. From here, you're going to press this button. You're going to find out this and you can draw the arrows. Which color? You can want purple. You can have, you can have black, for example. You can have any arrows. And if you want to delete them, press this button. And there you are. All of your arrows have been deleted. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you soon.